Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add triple line border to shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I add triple line border to shape in Excel on this sheet. Now at first you have to go insert menu. Then you can see here are shapes drop down menu and click this and choose a shape. Now draw this shape. Now I add triple line border to this shape. Select this shape, then go to shape format drop down menu. Now click shape format shape drop down menu. Now click line. Now you can see, now I choose line color. I choose this yellow color. Now I increase width of this line. Now I add triple line on this shape. Click this compound type drop down menu now and choose triple. Now I increase this width. Now you can see I add triple line border to shape in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.